Hey folks, JD here, and welcome back to another mailbag unboxing. Again, as with all the unboxings, I don't know what's in them. I've just slit open the tops, reversed them so that I don't show any addresses. Can't wait to have a little look. Think I know what that is. Think I possibly know what this is. But do you know what? To be certain, let's have a little look. I think this is an N64 game. It might be Lilac Wars. Yes, it is. There we go. So Star Fox, essentially Star Fox 64, but Lilac Wars in Europe. Very happy with this purchase. I think it cost me about £3. A little bit of damage there, but you know what? I'm really happy about how colourful that label looks for its age. Really happy. Can't wait to play it. Perfect. Thanks ever so much for that. That's wonderful. So then, let's go with this one next. Let's see what this is. Ooh, Xbox One. Oh, hang on. Oh, I thought there was something else in there. There's not. Flip it around. Back for Blood. Amazing. And the CD is in its holster. But more to the point, it's all sealed. So I've got it in digital. Didn't have it in physical. Now I've got it in physical. I can keep it sealed. And the DVD is in its holster, which is even better. There we go. Very, very happy. Very, very happy for that. Did I enjoy it as much as Left 4 Dead? No. Am I ever going to enjoy it as much as Left 4 Dead? No. Is it worth buying if you get it for £3? Yes. Let's go with this one. Open this. Oh, there we go. This is Fallout 4. Flip it around. Beautiful. Look at that. Stunning game. Oh, yes. I was hoping it would come with the perk chart. And it does. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, look at that. And it's in great condition too. Very, very happy about that. Ooh, come on. Come on. And the back. Ugh, there we go. Eventually. All open. Magnificent. Magnificent. Really happy with that. Really, really happy with that. Excellent stuff. And we get the Fallout 4 Season Pass. Obviously, that's already been claimed, so that's fine. And offering Doom. We saw that in another unboxing. Brilliant. Really nice. So, let's just check the back of this. Lovely. So I like to have games on multiple consoles because I like to play them, especially when it comes to Fallout games. I like to play them as different characters. So I've got this on the Xbox. I've got it on the PC. Now I've got it on the PS4. And each character is completely separate. And I like to take a different path with them if I can. Although the quests are the same. But in saying that, still a great amount of fun. Love the Fallout franchise. I can't recommend it highly enough. Fourth package and last one for today. Doom Eternal. So, as we may have already seen at this point, or may not, depends on which way I put these out. Lovely. So, we had Doom 2016 the other day as another unboxing. Now, I thought I'd go with Doom Eternal, because I got Doom Eternal on the Xbox One. And I got Doom on the Xbox One, and I've got physical Doom on the PlayStation 4, but I never had Doom Eternal, but now I've got them on both, which is excellent. So really happy with that. Again, fantastic game. A little bit too much jumping for me, but I still really enjoy it. And it is still 100% worth playing. It's still Doom. It's fantastic. All right, my friends, thanks ever so much for watching and listening. We've got some more fun coming tomorrow, so please join me then. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy gaming.